Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to study about how to read centrifugal pump performance curve. Students, see here, this is the centrifugal pump performance curve I have created to understand the how to read centrifugal pump performance curve. So here we will first understand the brief about this curve, and after that we will take the one example to understand how to read the centrifugal pump performance curve. So students, for that, see here now, here this is the centrifugal pump performance curve, and here in this on x axis there is a capacity which is in meter cube per second. Okay, and on y axis there is head in meter, power in HP, and efficiency is in percentage on the left hand side of the curve. And see here it is the NPSH, which is on the right hand side of the curve, which is in meters. Okay, and these are the curves. This is the head versus capacity curve. This is the efficiency versus capacity curve. This is the power versus capacity curve, and this is NPSH versus capacity curve. This is NPSH required. Okay, so now let's see one example. Suppose we need the capacity of the pump here 75 meter cube per hour. So here see, capacity Q is equal to 75 meter cube per hour. We need okay, for our requirement of the project. So here see, I'm putting here the see, I'm putting here one straight line, as you can see. Okay, this line is breaking down the power curve, efficiency curve, and head curve, and NPSH curve, as you can see here. Okay, the corresponding values of those curves we will see, and from that we will get the values of the head, power, efficiency, and NPSH. So here see, I'm here this straight line has break down the head here, as you can see here. I'm drawing here a straight line from that, as you can see here. Okay, another, now let's see here, efficiency is breaking here, so I'm drawing the straight line again from here. See, okay, and HP is breaking here, as you can see here. Okay, and PSH is NPSH curve has been break down here, as you can see. Okay, so see here now, head is H, power P, here it is NPS efficiency, and here NPSH required. This is required value, that's why I'm here write the R in the suffix. Okay, so here see now, this head this line, this straight line has been break head curve here, and from that we will get here value. See here 9 meters, 8, here it is almost 9, approximately 9 value. So here 9 meters of head. So at 75 meter cube per hour capacity, we will get here 9 meter head for this particular performance curve of the centrifugal pump. Further, power requirement is here, as you can see, 3, and here it is 4. It is almost 1 2 3. We will consider here approximately 3.3 HP. Okay, power requirement 3.3 HP is the power requirement. Okay, so further see efficiency is break down here at this point, as you can see here. Here it is approximately 88%. So here I am writing down 88% efficiency. And further see here NPSH curve has been break down here, and which is nearly here 2.1 meters, 2.1 meters. Okay, so students, in this video we have understood about how to read centrifugal pump performance curve if we have capacity of the pump. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.